Hey you guys, and welcome back to That Family 5 channel. My name is Atoya. I am the wife and mother of That Family 5. Today we will be putting up our fan. I'm going to put it together and then Douglas is going to put it up towards the end. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. If you like things like this, also including cleaning motivations and anything lifestyle, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell right next to it. Make sure you click the bell 2 times to make sure that you get all my videos. And I will see you a little bit later into the video. Enjoy the music and have fun. As always, y'all.
I'll do it on my way. I'm gonna show you what I'm going through. Get you out of your comfort zone. Cause I need more of the truth right now. It's time that you made your mind up. Cause lately all it ever does is change. Feels like we're only talking. Going round.
So just to introduce ourselves, we are That Family 5, Douglas and Latoya, and then our last name, Family 5. We have 3 beautiful girls, and if you like cleaning motivation, lifestyle, anything houseware stuff, just, you know, we're homeowners, been homeowners since 2017, and so we just want to share our life as us being homeowners with you guys. Just enjoy.
Waking up, feeling the taste of our fight last night. Breaking up, making a mess of an old good life. And now that you're gone, I'm thinking about old times.
Oh my gosh! I need to attach this pole
and Peter have a big decision to make.
to here.
House number 1, house number 2, house number 3.
Take this,
Thank you. I have a good feeling they're going to fight, right?
So I gotta say,
take this off,
with Mike, I mean, the
because this
thing, just his skill
connects
set
to
was
this,
That was a lot of fun. I didn't expect him to be so playful.
which connects to the
I
wall,
thought that was really cool.
which then connects
Now
to
we
this.
can take everything he gave to us,
Up
these
there.
little nuggets, and
Okay.
apply them anywhere.
Yeah.
Now, another thing we have to consider.
Oh my gosh, Becky!
to speed.
Alright, so you see right here, I'm looking through the directions and I'm looking on YouTube trying to figure out how to get this knobby thing off of the little pole, right? So let me tell y'all, this knobby thing, the 2 screws that were in it were like the tightest screws I have ever tried to untighten in my life. So yeah, we did that, and then I tried it with the drill. Yeah, y'all about to see all my dramatization. I had it right in my head.
Oops. Alright, so this is the piece that you're going to need.
So I had it right in my head. I just need a drill. I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. So I had to go to YouTube. So I need this little knobby thing off to go onto this knobby thing. So that's what we're about to do. I had to get some coffee. And so. Story time. So for about 20 minutes, I've been trying to get this thing off. Went to Home Depot and they got the screw to loosen up for me. I said, I was like, all you gotta do is loosen up. I can do the rest of it, but I can't get it loosened. So he loosened it for me. Swifties. Oh yes, I love to tinker and put things together and take things apart, and I like challenges, but I know that in my older age and my hands are getting a little weaker than they used to be.
What to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano.
Okay, back to it. So remember in the last video when I was taking care of the closet? So you always have an old-fashioned wire hanger with you, because now I can unbend or bend my wire hanger the way I need it to go, and I can pull it through the pole, and then I just put it back together and put it back in the closet. So that's what I did.
Running fast, never look back. Now we're over, that's a fact. Phasing light, see it all bright. You were never right. Back to life, I apologize. Too soon to say I'm fine. Too soon to say I'm fine.
So I got the fan all to put together, and so it's gotta wait for the husband to wake up so we can do this. So I have a video where we put the other light up, and I'll put it in this eye, in this guy right here. And that was maybe a year ago. And then I broke the one that was supposed to go up here. Well, we broke it when we cleaned the garage, which I'll put it again in the eye right here. So with that, Doug was like, well, how about we just get a fan so we can different, so it look different from the dining room to living room and the great room. I said, okay. I said, if we do, I gotta get a ceiling fan. He said, all right, cool. And I need more than one light because we need, it's dim in here because we do have brown, everything brown. Fixtures are brown. So, he's awake. I can't show y'all, he's in his boxers. So we can get ready to put this thing up once he gets something to eat. So exciting. Yay. So the light is off. And so I'm gonna clean up in here real quick while the light's off. Craziness. And then we can do this.
Cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break it.
So I have vertigo really bad. I don't have a fear of heights, but I have vertigo. Though due to my hypothyroidism, if I bend my head back for too long, I end up getting very, very, very dizzy. So that's why the husband is so magnificently and just wonderful for doing these things for me, for us actually. So I'm excited. I'm really excited to kind of update our areas in our house little by little. You know what I'm saying? This is an old house, still had its old fixtures. So I love my house, and I hope y'all do too.
I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break it. I swear, you're falling into me, touch me. I swear, you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. watch me breaking. I swear, you're falling into me, touch me. I swear, you would do anything that I want.
Ezekiel.
Oh man, why would you do that? What?
This is Dad's face, though. He's like,
I was like, what I forget? That's what I forgot. Take everything. Well, you know what you do now.
Take everything off.
Take everything off, put this in the thing.
Why don't I just take this out the thing and put it on there and put it back on? Hold on.
go ahead, Josh.
So I'm gonna take this out like this. Take that off.
The wires got going.
They can't even see you, Dad.
I'm
No, he
dancing.
can't.
Okay. It don't make his face.
It's on like extra zoom. Hey, can you hear me? Give me that thing.
The blue thing?
Yeah.
Turn off recording.
Yeah.
You know, could record this part.
Screwdriver.
Documentary.
I got the top. What is the flip? Fat tip?
No, I got it.
He's going through it. Look at them.
Sitting in the clouds.
Wait, who's coming today?
Miss Harris.
What's today? What day is it?
Thursday.
Oh, okay.
So now I am fixing my mistake, and I have to take the wires back out the pole, put the canopy in, and put the pole in, put the wires back in the pole, and then he's going to put it back up and put the wires back together. Thank y'all so much for watching this video with us today and getting our living room kind of updated. And if you haven't yet, please remember to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment down below. I love talking with y'all. Y'all have a blessed day, and there's some few pictures at the end. Peace out, y'all.
Anymore. It's like we're losing all track of time. I just got one thing on my mind. Baby, one